Hello guys, so in this video I'll show you another method on how you can promote your Clickbank products. So in this video we will need to spend at least $5 in order to achieve this the effectiveness of this campaign, okay, this method. So what we do here is we will need your Facebook pages. Okay, as you see here I type in lose weight. So I'm looking for pages that are related to healthy diets or healthy losing weight or whatever that makes you make fit. And we need these two websites called one is Rapid Workers and one is called Pico Workers. So some of you may be familiar with these two websites. So uh, basically these two websites is are what we do here is find people who are willing to do the task that we ask them to do. Okay, for example, in this method we will be asking them to share the link that we will be putting in our instruction. But this is not only a link. Okay, so watch carefully how we will make this method, okay, so that it will be effective. Okay, it will only become effective if you follow along how the step-by-step procedure on how we will make this campaign works. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, we need at least $5 to to make this method effective. So here it doesn't matter which one you use, Pico Workers or Rapid Workers. So for me, I rather use Rapid Workers because I've been using this for a while now. So and I prefer this too because it's much cheaper than Pico Workers. Although Pico Workers have more members and you can get your campaign completed in a matter of sometimes 1 day or 2 days. Rapid Workers take some time, like at least minimum 3 days, but it still works. Okay, so what we do here is first we find our product from Clickbank. Okay, so in this example we will be using keto, like this one, keto. So typing in this query search keto and then look for a decent product, any product like health products or whatever that we can promote. All right, so for me I think we can have this keto resources because it's got a decent gravity. So when we check the sales page, okay, it looks decent. So I think we will go ahead with this product, with this offer. So the next thing we wanted to do is head over to this website, free PLR download. So anything that relates to an ebook or whatever, the ebooks website that you can find that you can get free ebooks for okay, without having any payment. Okay, absolutely for free. So try this website, free PLR download. So it's very popular. So what we need to do here is find an ebook related to health or anything about losing weight or healthy recipes or whichever. Okay, now let's find something. Okay, go to page 2. Okay, a healthy guide to eating. I think this is a perfect example that we can use in this method. Now here it's got 54 pages. So the less pages, the better, because you will see why I'm telling that the less pages better, because we will need to modify the ebook. Okay, not so much modification, just a little bit. Okay, so what we need here is download this. So 54 pages are fine, but if you can find like 40 pages or less or 20 pages, much better. But for this example, let's assume this has got 20 pages. So any ebook that's related to health. Okay, so what you can do here is download this. Okay, as you see, we've downloaded the ebook, so it looks good. Yep, I think we can use this as our example. So the next thing we need to do is head over to any website that can edit a PDF online. So you use this text query called PDF editor online and find any websites here that you're comfortable using editing a PDF. So I find this sage.com useful for editing an ebook, and it's simple to use. So once you're here in this website, so just upload that ebook. Okay, so once it's here, what we have to do is put our affiliate link in some of the pages here. Okay, so most of you have seen this method, okay, like editing an ebook and then sharing it to Facebook or to your Facebook feed or whatever, any pages that can the link can be shared. But this one is much effective, so just watch further. So what we can do here is edit some of the pages here. So let's just zoom it out. Okay, let's see. Okay, so imagine someone is reading this and become interested. So it's also important that you find a very nice ebook that people will be attracted to read. Okay, but I think this ebook is also fine. So what we need to do here is add a text. Okay, so here, okay, try this keto diet for more effective and healthy weight loss, or it depends on how you wanted your link to appear to them. So you can become more creative on making this text looks like the readers will be likely to click your affiliate link. Okay, so what we will do here is we will put our affiliate link here. So head back to Clickbank and then use these keto resources. So click on promote, create hap link, and we just copy that. So you can use any link shortener, but in this example, let's put it directly because this is not the important step. So you can do this in any way if you have any PDF editor. And what needs to be done here is just we have to add the links in, not in every pages, but in those pages that you think that people will be become hooked on what they're reading at the moment, and then eventually find this link and then they'll click it. Okay, so we put our affiliate link here. Okay, is it there? Okay, now it's done. So as you see this highlighted, it means that it's got your affiliate link. So now we can replicate this thing. So copy that and put that in the pages that you think people might be interested. Okay, so okay, let's copy again this thing, then head over here and then get our affiliate link. Okay, so this is not very good PDF online editor because I have to again individually copy each of the link and put it again. Like I'm not able to copy the entire thing that I already modified. So okay, now assuming that we already put our link in some of the important pages here. Okay, let's assume 50% of the pages you added your affiliate link. That's why I was mentioning that less pages the better. Okay, so that you can at least put all your affiliate links in every pages. Now once you're done in this step, so what you do is save this PDF with your affiliate link. All right, now let's save it. Click this apply changes and wait for some time. Now it's done, so you just download that. Okay, now once you downloaded that, check if your links are there. So as you can see here, so we have our affiliate link here and we have our affiliate link here. So as much as possible, try to put your affiliate links in each of the pages, but not specifically in all pages, but at least majority of the pages you have your affiliate link. Okay, now this is very important. The next steps will be very important, so please follow along. So next one is we will be creating a campaign in Rapid Worker or Pico Worker, doesn't matter. So here in Rapid Worker, so here in my campaigns, click this new campaign. And what we need to do here is make sure this one is selected as international because we don't care which country will be people will be promoting. Okay, so select this Facebook and select this uh, post in groups. Okay, so as I mentioned earlier, we need to spend at least $5. Okay, for this example. So in this one, so see this task takes less than, so mention it will take you 5 minutes to complete the task. Available position, make sure you start with a very less amount of people, let's say 20, so that you can observe whether the people are actually doing the task that you've set up. Because here in Rapid Worker, you won't be able to cancel your campaign. Once it gets started, you will need to wait until it gets completed. Okay, you won't be able to cancel it and refund whatever you have paid for the campaign. Okay, so start with a very less amount, so 20. And then to make it more attractive, let's say make this, you are willing to pay 25, or let's say 20. So see, you'll be spending just $5 for this one. Available positions 20 clicks. That's 5 minutes to complete the task, and you will pay each worker 20 cents once they complete the instruction that you will be putting, and it will cost you $5 for this campaign. But imagine this $5 will can get you unlimited number of sales, because if the people are interested in the value that you shared on Facebook on your groups, then uh, you you will have a very good chance of having that post become viral. Okay, and the good thing here is you are not the one who's posting the these links that you will provide. It's the people who are trying to earn also members of rapid workers or people workers. So what you can do here is grab a notepad and create an instruction here. Okay, before that, okay, so our PDF, so we need to upload our PDF somewhere, so that we need to host it so that people can download that PDF. So you can use anything like a Google Drive or wherever, tiny URL. But if you can find anything, so just use the pagepro.com. It's originally image, a landing page creator, but here you will have an option to upload images. So just sign in with your account. So if you see this option, manage images, so click that, and here you can also upload not only image but any file. But you will notice that this won't have any preview because of course we uploaded PDF. So we browse our PDF, and we find the one that we have modified. Okay, so this is the theme. We upload that. Okay, and once we have the PDF, so right click this image preview. Doesn't matter if it doesn't show anything because it's a PDF. So right click that, choose this, copy link, and then head over to this one, manage redirect. So we will create a redirect. Okay, so this one is healthy, so name your redirect healthy diet. Okay, and then the path name, so this will be in the okay, and the actual URL, this is the URL of the actual page that they will be downloading, so the link will look much better. Okay, and then here we will be putting same what is the title of the PDF? Healthy eating guide. Healthy eating. Okay, you can leave it as that, and then click on save. Once we have that, we have our path here that we can copy. Okay, and it will go to this one. It will download the PDF. Okay, so just copy that. So test it for once. So let's open it in a new tab and let's see if it's going to our PDF. Yeah, it's going to our PDF, and that's the PDF. We have the link. Okay, great. So we can use this, copy that, and then what we do here is create an instruction that we will be posting in Rapid Worker. So what we can have here is find at least 5 groups related to healthy diet or healthy weight loss. Okay, okay, next instruction, post this in their page. So what you can do is create a post that you want the people to be posting in the pages that they found. Okay, let's say follow the tips in this ebook if you want to lose weight in healthy way. So you can be more creative than this one. So this is just an example. Okay, download this free ebook. So very important, mention it's for free so people will grab it. Okay, okay, now this is the link, important to put that. Okay, and then paste the screenshot that you completed the task. Very important. Okay, all right, now here in the instruction number 1, you can actually find it yourself, and then for example, you find these pages, you can actually right click them and copy link if you want them to join in these 5 groups. Say 1 2 3 4 5, so you can just grab and copy link and head over to your instruction, find at least 5 groups, or you can say that join in this group like one okay, 2 lose weight. Okay, so find some groups that have a lot of followers. Okay, 3. So okay, you can mention the Facebook groups, and yeah, so they can provide you a screenshot right? Now, once you're done with your instruction, make sure you copy, and then go back to rapid worker, and then paste your instruction here. All right, so this is the instruction, very important. And then here the title is post this in at least 5 FB groups. Okay, so yeah, just put a little bit description on the task that you are going to give them. And then of course, required proof of job finish. So send me the screenshot to get paid. Here, you can attract them by saying fast payment. Okay, okay. Once it's done, so I think it's always recommended to make a highlight of your task. So as you see here, you click these available jobs. Those with highlighted are much attractive to the people of rapid workers, to the member of rapid workers, and much more likely to get a lot of clicks. Okay, so as you can see here, so this has got 86 out of 400 tasks completed. People who actually completed the task, there were 86. So see, look at this one, 2456 2404 have completed the task already. Okay, so now we start with 20, and if you find that the campaign is effective, like people are actually doing the task and it's been filling pretty quick, then you can create a similar, again, another campaign, because you don't want to set this very high, because like what I told, you won't be able to cancel the task. Okay, so now once it's done, so make sure you highlight it with maybe blue or orange, doesn't matter. So it's just an additional 30 cents. So it's, it's less than the price of Starbucks. So yeah, and this has potential of, making unlimited sales of your Clickbank product that you're trying to promote. Okay, so you get the idea, guys, right? So once people, like once 20 people posted, this that you mentioned them to post in at least 5 groups, so that's actually 100 posts available in different number of Facebook groups. So you probably have your affiliate links spread without doing that much of work, right? Because you ask people to share them with a very efficient amount, not spending too much money. Okay, so I think that's it. You get the idea. So hopefully guys, you enjoy the video and you find this very helpful. Yeah, if you do, please hit on the like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so you can be updated of the strategy that I'll be posting in the future. That's it. Thank you guys.